Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Danish Syami bin Hamzah, and in my group we have Liana Nicole anak Christmas Tongkat, Asfa Azmawi bin Abdul Ghaffar, and the last one is Mawar Syamimi binti Suhaimi. Today we're going to present about quality control, case study topic 6. Let's go.
Our topic is the plastic bottle manufacturing industry. The main issue is maintaining consistent product quality. Defects are mainly caused by process variation, machine issue, human error, and inconsistent raw materials. Next, our objective is to reduce defects such as scratch, crack, size error, and color variation. To solve this, we use quality control tools like the flowchart, Pareto chart, control chart, and histogram to monitor and improve production quality. Next, I will explain one of the quality control tools uses, which is the flowchart. A flowchart is used to visualize each step in the plastic bottle manufacturing process. It helps us identify at which stage most defects occur. Some advantages are that it clearly shows the process, identify high-risk stage, support SOP standardization, is easy to update, and help it worker training. This is the flowchart of the plastic bottle manufacturing process. It starts with checking the raw material quality, followed by the bottle molding process and size insertion. Then, labeling and capping are done, along with filling to check leakage and volume. Finally, the product goes through a final inspection before being approved as a finished product.
Histogram. Next, I'll be explaining about the histogram. A histogram is a tool that shows data distribution and frequency. For example, the size, diameter, or thickness of a product. It helps us visualize how consistent a process is and whether there's too much variation. For example, in this analysis, most bolt diameters are between 9.91 and 9.95 millimeters, which is very close to the target value of 9.95 millimeters. That means the process is stable and well controlled. Some advantages of using a histogram are it's easy to see variation patterns. It helps detect inconsistencies during production, and it allows us to compare the process performance with standard requirements. For the slide 2, data collection and application. Okay, next, this slide shows how data is collected for the histogram. We collected data by measuring 50 automotive bolts produced in one batch. Each bolt's diameter in millimeters was recorded to check for the consistency. Here, you can see an example of data range and its visualization. This helps us identify any variation or defect that might affect product quality. For the slide 3, consequences if quality control tools are not applied. Alright, lastly, here are the consequences if quality control tools are not applied. So, without a flow chart, there will be poor process understanding. Without a Pareto chart, we can't prioritize which problems to solve first. Without a control chart, the process becomes unstable, and without a histogram, we might interpret data inaccurately. As a result, the company may face higher costs, lower efficiency, more product defects, customer complaints, and even loss of trust.
Hi everyone, for my part, I will explain about the Pareto chart. The Pareto chart is based on the 80 and 20 rule, which means 80% of the problems come from 20% of the cost. So it helps the company focus on the main issue that cause most of the defects. In our case study, The data show that stretch and cracks and size error made up about 87% of all the defects in plastic bottle production. This means if the company focus on fixing these three problems, they can reduce most of the quality issue. The Pareto chart is simple, clear and helps save time and cost because it shows which problems to prioritize first. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'll explain about the control chart. The control chart is used to monitor the process stability over time. It helps to check whether the production process is under control or not. In our case study, the company used a C chart to record the number of defects in 25 samples of plastic bottles. All the data were between 3 and 7 defects, which are within the control limits, so the process is stable and in control. This tool is useful because it helps the company detect unusual variation early and take action before more defects happen.
Other QC tools that can be used: fishbone diagram, cause and effect, find root cause under main, machine, method and material. Tech sheet collects real-time defect data before analysis. Scatter diagram shows correlation between variables. Example, machine temperature and defect rate. Run check monitors defect trends over time before creating a control check.
In conclusion, by using the flowchart, Pareto chart, control chart, and histogram, the company can improve product quality and process efficiency. Each tool plays an important role. The flowchart shows the process clearly, and the Pareto chart helps focus on major defects. The control chart ensures the process stability, and the histogram shows data variation. Together, these tools help reduce defects, maintain consistency, and increase customer satisfaction. Overall, they support continuous improvement and strengthen the company's performance.
Okay, that's all from us about quality control topic 6 for case study. Thank you.